Let me show you how to open recovery mode on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So you will need to prepare the USB cable and you will need to connect your S25 Ultra to a computer. It has to be a computer, it cannot be a charger or power adapter. So let's connect. Then we need to turn off our device. So I'm gonna go through the quick settings to power off the phone. And now let's wait patiently for the device to turn off, and soon we should also see the information about charging our device. There we go, we have now this charging icon, and soon we should probably also see the percentage as well of the battery. There we go, so we have the information now. So the next thing that we need to do is press and hold the power button and volume up button until we see the Samsung logo. So let's press and hold both of these buttons. Actually, when we see the Samsung logo, we want to keep holding. So keep holding those two buttons. And there we go. We are now in the recovery mode. We navigate in the recovery mode by using volume buttons, so use volume down and volume up in order to go down or up. And we need to, if you want to confirm your choice, you want to press the power button. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!